So going to do the fuel pump, and you can clearly hear it, especially when you take off the cover. You definitely hear it more so. I got a vacuum in there, just make it nicer before I attempt to take it out. I don't want to get any dust in the tank or have anything fall in there, so I definitely have to clean around there, do all that stuff. But listen, you could clearly hear it. The A4 Cabrio, it's in the trunk for whatever reason. I think it's crazy, and I thought it was in the trunk because I watched a YouTube video, said, oh, okay, it's in the trunk. So I took off the panel in the trunk, not knowing, and I'm like, well, where the heck is it? And sure enough, it was underneath the back seat, which I'm so happy about. All right, so definitely got to clean. Check this out, little acorns. It's actually taking the dust. I'm surprised. Not bad. Keep it clean. All right, cleaned it up. I just put this thing in there, tapped it back. Get that guy out. This side came out pretty good cleaning it, you know what I mean? So here's the pump that I purchased. I just looked at it to see where the tab was, just to make sure I don't want to break anything, you know the drill. So this is from FCP Euro. I also purchased, I'll skip out, it was good. I'll have the breakdown of the prices in the description below. What is it? Fuel filter. And here's the rubber. Don't take it, you know, might as well just buy it. Whatever this nipple thing is here. I don't know, I forget what it was, an O-ring too or something came with it. And I'll be putting that on because no reason to not do it. Wet back here, but it's definitely rusted to all end. I guess I just gotta soak the crap out of this thing. All right, so been working on this probably like an hour, and what I really been working on is freeing up the O-ring. It looks really bad too, very rusty. I doused it in WD-40. The place that actually got it where it started to really move was over here. I started to hit it and it actually started to kind of move. I pried it up, you know, I broke off some tabs here for the plastic thinking, you know, maybe that'll make a difference, but not really. I was gonna just, you know, break the thing apart if I have to. Anyway, success, it just started to free itself. I don't know if the WD-40 worked itself or whatever. Now, for this clip right here, this one, what I did is I took the pliers, okay, there's two tabs on both sides. I mean the needle nose. Took those, pushed it down, you push it down, and then pull up. It came off pretty easy. Now this side here, this one, I was like, how the heck does this one come off? It was kind of weird. Hold on. And what it was is, you push on the bottom piece here. There's a bottom piece that will kind of push it this way to take it off. Yep. It wasn't so bad. You just put the screwdriver in and just keep pushing towards you, and it freed it up, and then I pulled it off. I also pushed that down a little bit with the, you know, the gloves on and stuff. It's dirty, and right now I got to be real careful. I don't want to get anything in the tank to pull this out. This is really bad, and what I mean by that is it's like all the rust, you know. I don't want it to fall in. So here's where I'm at. It's great. I ended up cutting the top off. No reason. What I did is I just cut these lines because what do I care? And this is still left in there. So I'm just trying to figure out what's holding this thing in. I seen another video on an A4 and he just pulled it right out, and then you got other guys who have already got it out. There was like an S4 video and the guy already has it out, so they don't show you how the hell it came out. But look, it's not pulling out. Don't know why, but I will be the first to show you. Now this whole thing twists, but as you can tell, the whole mechanism comes with it, so I definitely need to take out this plastic piece. See the mess? I did see a couple of, yeah, look at the dust in there. Yeah, damn it. You know what's funny too? I thought I was really running this car on E, but that's not the case. Alright. Having fun. Alright, see the 3 tabs there? 1, 2, and 3. They look like you could put screws in them like holes. Looks like this has to sit on there from what I'm thinking here. So it has 1, 2, and 3. So okay, you have to take off this part. It's just because it's not on that part. So you have to pry it off. Very easy. Take a flathead screwdriver. You know, don't go crazy, and just pull them out. There's tabs all the way around, and just get it off. Now I believe this thing should sit right and go where it's supposed to go. Okay, that was it. I felt it clip in. It sounded good. Now there's a little hole in there on the side. This piece has got to go in there. Okay, also remember, don't forget to put this on, because that happens too. The other thing you don't want to forget, I have it under here somewhere, tucked in because it likes to fall in, is the wire. Here it is. There we go. Don't forget to put the wire for the pump. All right. All right. I did some of that. Get off the rust. It's not perfect, but you know what? I don't care. Yeah, it's really corroded. So wanted to use that up. A little bit left. And there you go. Always remember, don't put the ring on first, because you still have to put in all your plugs here. So that would be easy, just putting that on. And of course it has to go in a certain way. That has to be straight. And this guy goes on. Plug that in. Plug this to there. And this one here. And you're done. Pretty much so. You know what I mean? So that's it. Continuing the Audi S4 Cabrio restoration. Good. So my next my next project is the radio and putting it back to stock. I have some extra clips there, which is great. I could figure out my Dave's S4. You remember the silver B6? He ended up getting the MMI in there and putting it in, but the car came actually with extra of those clips, so it turned out good. I can kind of trace back definitely two of them are still there.